In the Valley of the Sun, your trees deserve the very best. That's why homeowners trust Valley Tree Masters and JuiceBOOST Tree Feeding, hailed as the best tree service in Arizona. Our team is built on rooted expertise, certified arborists, tree doctors, and specialists who bring decades of experience and true arboriculture know-how to your property. We back every project with a $2 million insurance policy and maintain a spotless safety record. That's professionalism you can trust. From precision pruning and tree removal to deep-root tree feeding, cactus removal, and stump grinding, Valley Tree Masters does it all. JuiceBOOST Tree Feeding reaches vital root zones below Arizona's nutrient-poor soils to boost tree health with guaranteed results, or we treat your trees again absolutely for free. Cactus removal specialists. Safe removal of dangerous cacti like saguaros and prickly pear by fully insured tree service experts with free quotes and available same-day service. Stump grinding removes stumps efficiently. Available same-day tree removal saves you money, and we finish the job with proper cleanup of your property. We offer competitive prices in the Phoenix metro area and even same-day service available in Gilbert, Chandler, Scottsdale, Paradise Valley, Mesa, Tempe, Phoenix, and Ahwatukee. Add in free estimates from our general manager and you've got confidence, affordability, and skilled attention from start to finish of your tree service project. We're one of the highest customer-rated tree services in the Phoenix area with over 150 combined 5-star reviews and still growing. Don't wait to care for your trees. For expert, safe, and trusted tree care service in Arizona, call Valley Tree Masters and JuiceBOOST Tree Feeding today for your free quote. Call 480-200-3331. New customers get 15% off and free estimates. Valley Tree Masters, rooted in quality.